Kawasud nyako Ramogi ni Jopur kod jokanyo e sekta mar pur kod uso mwandu mawuok e puodho kod mag jamni obago romo margi e boma ma Nairobi ma otese ni Fresh Produce Conference and Expo. E romono ma obagi kod riwruok mar The Fresh Produce Consortium of Kenya yangore ni ohala osebedo kani piny kaluwore kod deko chwalo mwandu e pinje maoko kokalo e nam makwar kata Red Sea ka gin e meli. Ywak bende nitiere ni chike ok osebedo ka oridi manyalo keto mwandu odhi kendo chop ne jonyiepo kapod gibeyo. Jopur bende oyang ni onego puonjruok otende kod rito mwandu gi kaka giwuok e puothe nyaka kuom jamni bende nyaka seche ma gichopo e chiro.
And fresh produce both in the domestic market and across the borders, and we thought it's important for us to have this conversation so that we can take stock of what has been going on in the last year, and now looking at what is this that we need to do to ensure that we increase production and market for our Kenyan produce in the marketplace, looking at the logistics, looking at the compliance requirements.
We need to, and we are working with the counties to capacity build our farmers and everyone in that space, production space, to be able to know, one, the agronomic practices that would give us quality fruit, and then the harvesting. That includes harvesting, because one of the challenges is our ability to harvest and send mature fruit. So we are working together with the stakeholders in ensuring that even the handling, in terms of transportation, we are supposed to handle in crates, just to make sure that the fruit is taken care of from the farm to the market.
And just to respond to the issue about the Red Sea, it's got a massive impact to us as a country. The travel time has increased by an average of 10 days, meaning that, as she has mentioned, that the produce possibly may not reach at the final destination in the good shape.